This is my kitchen closet, and I didn't have any lock on it. As you can see, there's no lock, and my kids always going inside and getting snacks and stuff. So I decided to build a child lock, and you can see right here actually a little button. And instead of installing a regular lock, I just didn't want to drill any holes in the doors. So on one side I got this guy right here, and a little hole. This goes in here, and so you lock it. You lock this side, and on this side I got a little mechanism over here, and what this do, you got this button on this side, and when you push it, that's what it does. Let's see on this side. That's what it did. And this way you close it, push the button, door is closed. And to open this door, you gotta hold this, push the button and pull it. That's how you open it. And the kids never gonna do that, because you gotta pull this and push this button at the same time. And kind of cool lock, so that's how you close it. Push it and it's closed. Alright.